Hey my dear YouTubers, welcome back to Nazareto's channel. In this episode I want to fix this snowblower here because it's snowing and it's going to be snowing all day, maybe 2 days in a row. I want to be able to clean the snow. Let me show you what the problem is and you can easily fix it yourself. I have this very powerful machine. As you see, it's Craftsman, it's all powerful, but this is what the problem. The rope, it just broke off. So it's supposed to go in here, but it's broken off, and I can still start it. Was the electric starter, but just want to show you how easy it is to fix the rope on these snow blowers. Same principle applies to the lawnmower. Since this machine I have here has a starter, I want to see how it starts. This is a fuel tank full of gas. I already checked the oil. I just want to see how it starts. All right, let's give it a start. So as you see, I'm able to start this machine with a starter, but if you don't have a starter and you have a broken rope, let me show you how easy it is to fix it. So I flip the snowblower on the side like this, and we need to remove these three bolts. So take your socket. This one is already loose. Very easy. Now we can take this part and take it out, and this is what we get on the inside. So in this step, what do we want to do? We want to wind this plastic piece to the left, counterclockwise, because this is clockwise, and we have to wind it to the left, clockwise. So you start feeling tension, see, once you let go. And we wind it until it stops. Also, you have to make sure this hole right here aligns with this hole right here, right? So it's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but it's usually about 5 turns or so. 1, 2, 3, I think 4. I'm just gonna wind it until it stops. And we're gonna put a screwdriver. You see, I wind it, I'm holding it, and this hole right here aligns with this hole right here. And then we're just gonna put a screwdriver here so it doesn't spin. If you don't have a screwdriver that can fit in the hole, you can just use a zip tie, or you can just hold it or put it in the vice grip, whatever your point, whatever your solution. I just found a nice zip tie, and this hole right here aligns with this one, and we're just gonna put the cord through here into this hole. Now, I don't need to buy a new cord since this one right here broke off at the end, so I'm gonna reuse it, but you can go buy a new one. Kind of fish it through, you see it's coming out, and just pull it out. I'm just gonna pull this cord out. Very easy. And we're just gonna tie a knot here at the end, and we're gonna remove this zip tie, and it's gonna wind this cord in. So let's tie a knot. After you tie the knot like this, you can just cut the zip tie. Cut the zip tie, and when you release this, you see how the rope is winding back, and that's it. And that's it. Now we're going to reinstall this on the unit. So just place it like this. Align the holes and put the bolts through here, here, and here. And I'm just tightening these bolts. Takes like 5 minutes. This one's tight. Let's go this one. The last one is tight, so all three of them tight. Now we're just gonna flip the machine. Snowblower. Gonna give it a few pumps. 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's on choke, running. And let's see if it starts with one pull or another. And there you go. And this is how easy it is to fix this rope if it's broken on your snowblower, or if you have a lawn mower, same principle applies. This is easier to get to because this unit is right here on the outside. Just 3 screws, 3 bolts, and that's it. You just remove it, tie the rope, make sure you wind it, hold it. Very easy. I love this machine. This one is awesome. I got this Craftsman for like 150 bucks. It was broken, I fixed it, and it works so nice. Also, if you, like, you know, older person, it's hard for you to pull this rope all the time, I highly recommend buying a unit like this with a starter, and it's so much easier. Just plug it in and that's it. But also very easy fix, guys. We're gonna have snow coming down for next 2 days, so I'm prepared with this beast. And that's a big snowflakes. It's gonna be like 2 to 6 inches of snow, so I'm ready. And also, now since you know how to fix the rope, don't panic, you can do it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.